In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Canva's website. Canva is not just a tool for designing social media graphics and presentations, it's also an excellent platform for crafting visually stunning blogs, and the great news is that it's incredibly user-friendly. First, let's start by logging into Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up for one is easy and free, with options to upgrade if you choose to later. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by Canva's home screen, which is filled with various design templates for a multitude of projects. What you're going to need is under the Create a Design section. If you type blog into the search bar, you'll be presented with a range of blog templates. Browse through and select one that resonates with the message and aesthetics of your brand or the story you wish to tell. Remember, the template you choose should align with your blog's theme and audience, as this sets the tone for the reader's experience. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to start customizing. Every element on Canva's templates is fully editable. Click on the text boxes to start editing your blog's title, body, and headings. You'll want to ensure that the font style and size match your brand. It's helpful to keep fonts uniform throughout the blog for clarity and a professional appearance. If you wish to adjust the typography, select from Canva's wide selection of fonts, which varies from modern to classic styles. Don't forget to pay attention to color schemes as well. Consistent colors that reflect your branding can greatly enhance the cohesiveness of your blog design. Now comes the visual elements. Enhance your blog's appearance by inserting high-quality images and graphics. Canva offers an extensive library of stock photos, illustrations, and icons. To add these, simply drag and drop your chosen image onto your canvas. Make sure your images support your blog's narrative and evoke the right emotions from your readers. Consider balance and space. Too many images can overwhelm the text, while too few might make it appear unenticing. Once you're happy with how your blog looks, it's time to make it live. With Canva, you can either download your design in several formats or publish it directly. To do so, click on the Share button. This option is convenient and ideal for when you're still brainstorming ideas or want to receive feedback. Finally, review your draft for any errors. It's a good practice to proofread your content to ensure that all images and text are correctly aligned and there are no typos. This helps maintain your blog's professionalism. To wrap it up, creating a blog in Canva is both rewarding and straightforward. Thanks to its intuitive design interface and powerful features, you can easily produce an attractive and engaging blog without needing advanced tech skills. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now it's your turn to put these steps into action. Happy blogging!